So in this episode of Dragon Ball Super, that was so fun. We start off with Beerus arriving and Goku hiding. And again, I'm gonna say this one more time. That was fucking right. So if I'm right, that the next part is Customer F and then Genoverse 6. I am gonna crash that again. Sorry. Really, what happened was Battle of Gods happened. Well, if you've seen Battle of Gods, you would know this. Was hiding. And there's some differences in here in Dragon Ball Super and Dragon Ball Battle of Gods. First of all, Goku is not wearing his gi, he's wearing his tracksuit thingy or whatever when he's hiding instead of his gi. And I'll tell you the rest while we go on in the review. Anyways, Beerus arrived, Goku's hiding, they have a little conversation, and the Notai offers Beerus some food. But he says, that would be quite tasty. But then he thought about it and he said, no. And King Kai kept, asking him. He said, if you keep asking me, I'll destroy this planet. And here's another difference. For one, instead of King Kai visiting in a hide and seek, in a game of hide and seek, he serves the Beerus bad food. And the difference here, there's another difference. Maybe you'll know for yourself. Should I tell you? Let me just think about it. I've decided not to. Well, because I don't remember it. Yeah. So, then they talk until Beerus says, oh, and let's see that saying that you're hiding behind there. And he's like, he goes out, introduces himself, and Beerus says, always Cisco to Earth. And then Goku asks him, can we spar? And he's like, okay. And so he goes, they fight. Then instead of turning into Dragon Ball. But here's the difference. In Dragon Ball Battle of God, he fights Beerus. He starts with Super Saiyan 1, fights Beerus, realizes he can't lay a finger on him. Super Saiyan 2, the same, and Super Saiyan 3, the same. Then Beerus knocks Goku out, just like in the movie. Now then we transition to Vegeta. He's laying down, and Bulma says, so you finally came out to see your beautiful wife. And he's like, and then she gets angry at her because he said, you saying, it's hard to get you saying. Yeah. And well, then we hear King Kai telling Vegeta, Beerus is coming. seriously destroys Earth. He laid Goku fighting, and now he's unconscious in the ground. And that's pretty much where and once he said that, that's pretty much where the episode ended. Now, just save everybody. Stay golden, my friend. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't do it on Sunday. I forgot. Please catch up. So, yeah. You're seeing one on Thursday. And then hopefully if I remember it on Saturday. Bye-bye.